Hết rồi, đây, đưa má, đây, đưa má. Đây. You see when she up. Wait. Now. Đưa má.
Hey, girl.
Brava. Ah, non lo sapevi che si apre le porte?
No. Straggler.
Tu, anche tu, brava.
Buongiorno.
I'm very good. How are you?
No, vale.
I never better.
No?
No, I love it. I just love this place. New York, New York.
Non si via Marina. Ci vediamo una volta ogni 10 anni.
Those are out of season. Hey, is it too windy to fly? Bark twice if it's too windy. I know. He's right. I got $10 on the dark one.
20 on the light one, white one. Or light one. Can I go rescue?
Yeah. What's $20 in euro? Hey guys, what are you doing? Or gals, sorry. Save some for Giaco. You just cross this bridge on the way to the shop and saw these guys. There's the herders across the way. Well, that guy proved to be not so happy. Now what did you say? He said I didn't have permission to photograph his beautiful animals in so many words, but he must have been doing something that he's not very proud of, because he was awfully certain that he didn't want us to do it. But this is public land and I'm just enjoying those beautiful animals, so. And the massive piles of crap. Wow, I guess they're eating well, that's for sure. There's no question about that. Look at this. Huh? Did I tell you a nice litter or what? That basket's got a few miles on it. Could still hold oranges or clementines, nectarines.
Still waters run deep, bro.
There.
Why I have to reset it all the time?
No, we're getting the lathe.
Oh, the late code.
Air ride activated. Whoa, if you can't find it, grind it, brother, huh?
Look at that.
You know why it's jiggling like that? You know what Ford stands for? Fucked on race day.
I'd rather be pushing my Chevy than driving a Ford.
I really have no preference. They both go. I'm sure there's better reasons for others. Could you help me carry this table in?